Hello student and hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this very cute and very easy rose. To begin with, you're gonna need a 2.5 mm hook and a yarn. We will start with 54 chain. Slip knot and then chain 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you have 54 chain, you count 4, 1, 2, 3, and insert it here in the 4th chain with double crochet. Chain 4, double crochet in the same stitch. And then yarn over because you're gonna double crochet in the 4th chain again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you have double crochet, chain 4, double crochet, and then double crochet. We're gonna do chain 4 again and double crochet in the same stitch. Again, double crochet in the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 4. You're gonna repeat this process until you reach the starting point. So do that again until you reach here. So I'm here in the last chain, so I have 2 chain left, so I'm gonna double crochet in the last here. It should look like this. Now chain 2, turn work, double crochet in this big space here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Single crochet in between this double crochet from the previous row. And then 10 double crochet in the next space. 1 single crochet again. You're gonna repeat this process until you reach here. So then double crochet, 1 single crochet, then double crochet in the space, and then 1 single crochet in between the double crochet from the previous row. So do that, and I'll see you when you reach here. So I'm in the last part. I'm just gonna single crochet and then another 10 double crochet in the last space. 1, now double crochet and insert it in the second stitch from the previous double crochet. So this is how it looks like, and then leave a long tail. So this is how you start to form the flower. Ta-da-dang! It's done! I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and feel free to share it with your friends, families, and relatives. God bless us all. Bye-bye!